Today we'll talk about the logical functions in DAX. Let us start with the if function. I'll create a new column with a simple if condition. If the sales amount is greater than 10,000, then the sell is high or it is low. Okay. I will name this new column as sales category. Then I'll make use of if condition. Within if condition, I will say that the product amount is greater than 10,000, then the sales category is high, otherwise low. I'll close the brackets. Now the moment I hit the center button, I will see the output for each and every row. Okay, what should I get? More than 10,000 high, less than 10,000 low. Let's see if that works. As expected, we are getting the correct output. Now we will see how to make use of the switch function in DAX. So we will create a new column. The name of the column will be category, and based on the product code we will provide the category. So what I will do, I will name this as category. Now I will make use of the switch function. If the product code is A, then the product category will be, let's say, electronics. If the product code is B, then let's say it's furniture. So like this we will make use of the switch function. So let me write that down and then I'll show you. So firstly I'll make use of the switch function. The expression is that I will be putting the I'll be using switch function based on the product code. So I'll make use of this product code column, comma, alt enter. Now I'll put my condition. So first of all I need to provide the value. What is the value? The value is A. For value A, what should be the result? The result should be electronics. Similarly, I will say that if the product code is B, then it should be furniture, and likewise. So now as you can see, I have completed the formula. If the product code is C, then the category is clothing. If the product code is D, then it is accessories. If the product code is anything apart from ABCD, then the category is other. So which also includes the null value. So as we can see, we have one product code which is null. So for that also we should get other, and for Y other, for X other. Okay, that's how the output will be. So let us see if that really works. I'll hit the enter button and then we'll see the output. As we can see, we are getting the output for the category as expected by using the switch function. Now we'll see how to make use of the AND condition in DAX. For that I will create a new column, and within this particular column I will check if the sales amount is greater than 10,000 and the customer type is VIP. If both conditions are met, that means if the sales is greater than 10,000, if the customer type is VIP, then we will say that it's a VIP cell, otherwise it will not be a VIP cell. So I'll name this new column as VIP sales. I'll make use of the if condition. If, and within if condition I want to make use of the AND keyword. Okay, so I'll make use of the AND keyword. Within AND keyword I will say that amount is greater than 10,000 and customer type is equal to VIP. If both these conditions are met, then it's a VIP cell. So I will put a comma and say that the result is VIP cell, otherwise not VIP cell. I will close the brackets and see the output. And as we can see, we are getting the output. We have got just two VIP sales, 22,000 VIP. This is 30,000 VIP. Otherwise, these are not VIP sales. Okay. So this is how we make use of the AND condition. Now I want you to make use of the OR condition in DAX and create a new column. So what you will do, you will, just like I have used AND function, you will make use of the OR function and put the condition that if the sales is greater than 20,000. So here it is 10,000. You will say that either it is greater than 20,000 or customer type is VIP. If any one of the condition is met, then it's a VIP sale, otherwise it's not a VIP sale. So like this, I want you to make use of the OR function. There is no other difference. I have changed the small logic change and how to use the OR. Okay, I hope you will create this new column and practice this. So now we will make use of the not condition in DAX. So as you can see, I have put a very simple not condition. If product category is not electronics, then it is false. Okay, and for if it is not electronic, that means if this furniture is not electronic, so it should be false. For all these values it should be false. For the first one it should be true. Okay, that's what we have written in the condition. Let's see if the output says the same thing. As we can see, the output is showing as expected, and we have made use of the not condition successfully. So this is how we make use of the logical functions in DAX.